In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from one account to another using Bank of America. This process is very straightforward, and once you see where everything is located in the app, you'll be able to do it anytime in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Bank of America app on your phone, or you can use the official website if you're on a computer. Go ahead and sign in with your account details. As soon as you're logged in, look at the bottom menu and tap on the option that says Pay and Transfer. This section is where all your transfer features are found. Once the Pay and Transfer page opens, you'll see different options, including bill pay, transfers, and even wire transfer. For moving money between accounts, tap on the Transfer option. After that, the app will show you two boxes. One says From Account, and the other says To Account. Select the Bank of America checking or savings account you want to send money from, and then choose the account you want to send money to. If the external bank account is already linked, you'll see it right there. If it's your first time linking it, the app may ask you to add the routing number and account number for that bank, but once you set it up, you won't have to do it again. Now enter the amount you want to send. You can type any amount you want and then choose the date you want the transfer to go through. You can send it immediately, or you can schedule it for another day if that's more convenient for you. Once everything looks good, tap Next, and the app will show you a full summary of the transfer. This includes the accounts you're moving money between, the amount, and the exact date it will be sent. Look over everything carefully, and when you're ready, tap Transfer. The app will process it and show you a confirmation message once the transfer is successfully scheduled or completed. After that, you can tap Done and return to your main dashboard. And that's all you need to do to transfer money from one account to another using Bank of America